Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good broth. First, gather your ingredients like bones, vegetables, and aromatics. Place them in a large pot or slow cooker, ensuring they are mostly submerged in water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat and let it cook slowly. This method extracts maximum flavor without making the broth cloudy. Remember, patience is key for a rich, flavorful result. For a truly delicious broth, start with roasted bones, whether chicken, beef, or vegetable scraps. Roasting adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Next, incorporate a mirepoix of carrots, celery, and onions, roughly chopped. Don't forget aromatics like bay leaves, a few peppercorns, and perhaps some fresh parsley stems. These simple additions elevate your broth from good to outstanding, creating a robust base for many dishes. Once your ingredients are simmering, it's important to skim off any foam that rises to the surface during the initial hour. This keeps your broth clear and clean. Allow it to simmer gently for a minimum of 4 hours or up to 24 hours for bone broth to fully extract all the goodness. Finally, strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. You'll be left with a beautiful, clear liquid. After straining, allow your broth to cool quickly before transferring it to storage. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. Broth is incredibly versatile, perfect for soups, sauces, or simply sipping on its own. It's a fantastic way to add flavor and nutrients to countless meals. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.